Hi, I've got a large format printer.
Hi, I've got an HP Designjet printer.
Hey, check out my brand new printer.
Nice. But what are those drawers?
Those are the maintenance tanks. It's where the ink goes after cleaning the print heads. Pretty clever, isn't it?
Yeah, but what happens when they're full?
Easy. You just buy another one. What? Your printer doesn't have a tank for the wasted ink?
No. Actually, it doesn't need them. My HP Designjet printer is very efficient, uses very little ink in maintenance. Simply goes straight to the service station, then it evaporates.